Go on then.
1, 3, 2, 1, you're on.
Okay, so here we are at Tate Modern. We're looking at Franz Marc's Tiger. And this painting was painted in 1910. He died when he was 36, killed in the First World War. And what I love about this is that the fact that he's trying to show what it's like to be a tiger. He's the expressionist, so it's not really a painting of a tiger. It's more about how it feels to be an animal. Famously, he painted horses and tried to get that sense of what it's like to be a horse. And I think we really get that from this painting. He must have been aware of William Blake's Tiger, which is examining how such a beautiful beast can also be so ferocious. And Marc believed that all animals had God in them. He was a I'll tell you later what he was. Anyway, he believed that God was in all of us, even animals. Lovely to see the painting in real life. What is it? A pan